Okay, good evening, everyone. How are you doing today? Good evening, online. Online, good evening. Hi, Rajkumar, Sunanda. Hi, Dinesh. Hi, Harshit, Kalyani. Dinesh, yes, నేను బాగున్నాను. Hi, Krishna. Hi, Masma. Hey, Vansh. Hi, ACP, sir. Shravan Kumar. Sometimes Telugu kuda బాగుంటుంది, sir. Okay, my voice. Thank you. So, guys, you are giving new names, huh? ACP, sir. Huh? Okay, good. Yeah, fantastic. All right, so yeah, AD doctor, correct. Fine. All right, so I hope everyone are doing good. Yeah, correct, Dinesh, I know. And I'm really happy to see all of you offline, right, and online too. I hope you had a nice vacation and nice weekend, right? Everything is done. Now let's get back on the track, right? So we have your voice gives us Red Bull energy. Thank you. Okay. All right. So as I said, especially I like this batch a lot because a lot of powerful people, more energetic. If I am energetic, meaning I can see you and I'll get more energy, right? So that's the reason. So it's really one of, not one, my favorite batch. Okay. So do you remember what did we discuss in our last class? Okay. By the way, have you practiced? You guys are traveling. Okay. How about online? Did you practice, Nana? Dinesh, yes. Hussein, yes. Kalyani, yes. And everyone, did you practice? Chandan, nice. As I said, Nana, I told you this is DevOps class. AWS is completely different. DevOps is completely different, right? And in AWS, we have learned a lot of theory, practicals, projects, many things we have done, right? And this DevOps is mostly on what? Practicals and then commands. So you have to practice. You have to practice a lot while if you want to get everything in good confidence on this DevOps. Okay. All right. So quickly, I see. Yeah. So quickly, let's see what are the things that we have learned, whether you remember the topics or not. Hmm? Okay. First of all, whenever you logged into the EC2 instance, by default, Git is there or not? No. So what we need to do? We need to install the Git. So Dinesh, sudo minus s and all, you know, is very jujube now, right? So let's go into the topics. So what is the first thing that you need to do? M install minus y, which one? Git. So once you install Git, Git will be installed. So what is the command to check the version? Git hyphen v. Git hyphen v will help you to see the versions. Okay. After that, if you want to work on any project or anything, first of all, you need to have your own directory or not. So what is the command to create a directory? Mget dir and give some like git project, for example. And you went inside this cd git project. And then what is the first command that you need to do? Very good. What is the first command you need to do? Git init. Say that, everyone. Git init. So by default, if you do git status, what will happen? You will get an error. What's that? You will get a error. You get a fatal error saying that, hey, Babu, this repository is not initialized. I don't know about this repository. For that reason, what you need to do now? First, you need to do git init. Once you do Git init, a default directory will be created. Fantastic. What is that, everyone? What is the default one? Excellent. Yeah. So what is that? .git. Whenever you see, if you do ls, you will not see that. What do you need to do? You need to do ls -al. So hidden directories, right? So what is the default directory? .git will be created. So whenever you see .git in a particular directory, remember that is already initialized. Already installed. Okay, and what is the command? First, you need to create some file, right? Touch index.html we did. So once you create some file and once you add some details inside it, what we need to do? By default, it is in your local machine, right? So now you need to ask, you need to tell to the Git to track it. What's the command to do that? Git add. Say that. Git add, which one? Index.html. Once you do the Git add, what we need to do next? Git, say that, Git commit -m double quotes, put the message. Put the message, and then which one here, none here? Index.html. Understood? So what you need to create files, modify your files, add, and then commit. Add and commit. So in ACP, we have done A and C. P, there is time to do it. Because P meaning we are pushing, no? So pushing to where? Remote repository. How many stages are there in our local machine? 3. In local machine, 3 stages. What are those? First one is working directory, working tree. What's that? Working tree. Next, staging area. Next, local repository. So by default, all your files will be in your working directory. And if you want to move it to the Git, then you need to do Git add. What's that? Git add. And then if you want to push it to the local repository, then you need to use Git commit. Git commit. We use a word called push generally, but don't use a word called push, because push meaning it is pushing to where? Remote repository. But I'm talking about here what? Local repository. What do you know? And then what is the command to see the all the commits? I want full, right? Git log. So git log will show you all the commits. But if you want to see shortcuts of the commit, git log -- one line. And I want to see only 2 latest commits. Git log -- one line -2. You're getting it, right? Online, you're getting it now. And then if you want to see, and in Git log also I have given so many arguments and parameters, right? So I'm not listing all these things here. Okay, so what else we have learned? Can you tell me in log? Git show. What Git show will do? It will show the latest one. Okay, next. Git blame we have done. Git blame is used for what purpose? Blame. In a particular file, which author has modified, who has done the commit, we'll get to know. What is that? Git blame. So you need to remember. Okay, next. Git short log also we have done, right? Git short log we have done. And then what? Git log -p also to see the differences. Remember? And then also to see the difference, what we have used? Git diff. Right? And then if you want to see the difference from working stage 1 to stage 2, Git diff -fn staged. Very good. And if you want to see the difference between 1 to 3, Git diff head. Remember? You need to remember, practice, right? So I'm telling you again and again, practice is super, super, super important. Okay, it's little bit. I'm telling you, DevOps will be little bit. I'll make it easy, but you need to do the practice. Without practice, It's highly impossible. So, and then also what we have learned, git config. So we have done the username. What is that here? Username. User dot name we did, and also what we did, git config. User dot email also we did. So this is what we have learned in our last class. Yes or no? Online? Okay. So, okay, let me ask everyone. Did the notepad that I have created is helpful for you? Those who have done practicals. Those who have done practicals. A lot, right? So for that reason, I told you whatever that I'm showing you, I'm showing everything here. I'm writing in the notepad so that just use this notepad and then do the practice. And I promise that till end of the course, till Terraform, I'll be writing the notes like this only. Okay, use the notes, chill. Okay, all right. So git log we have used all these things. Okay, let's go with. So before that, what I need to do, I have already launched the EC2 instance. Yeah, and let's log in first. What, you are Ronaldo of DevOps? Huh? Okay. Whatever names you give, I'm happy. No problem. Which one here? Okay. Thank you, Hussein. Thank you. Oh, your DevOps surgeon. DevOps surgeon, Tausi bhai, DevOps surgeon, doctor. You made me doctor. Okay, good. Okay, let's move. What's the thing? Clear. What's that landing command? Sudo hyphen. Yes. So what we need to do first, we need to install the Git, because every time we are launching the new machine, right? So by default, Git is not there. So for that reason, let's install yum install -y Git. Thank you, Dinesh. Okay. So let's install. After installing, what we do, Nana? We create a directory. We create a directory, and what we do? We go inside, and then what we do? First, git init we need to do. What's that? Git init. Okay, clear. Let's move on. So mkdir git project. You can give and cd git project. So if you do git status, what will happen? Error, because this git is not initialized. So for that reason, what we need to do, Nana? Git init. So once it is initialized, so it create what directory here? Dot git. Cool. And then what we need to do now? Let's create some sample files. Okay, I'll go with vi index.html. So I call it as this is index page. You can write an actual code also, but I'm just going with the some name. So what I need to do next? Git add index.html. Next, git commit -m. What is this here? Index page. Which one? Index.html. Committed. Okay. Create one more file. Two. Next, go vi hello.html. Okay, what is called? This is hello page. So guys, I am making you to next. Louder. Remember, what I'm doing here is I'm creating files, multiple files, and making you to practice. What are the three commands that you need to do? Create a file, add, commit. Say that. Create file, add, commit. One more. Create file, add, commit. So now I just created a file. What I need to do next immediately? Add git, add hello dot. Next, git commit minus m. And then this is what? Hello page. You can give any. So in real time, you should give a nice names actually, right? Hello dot. Next, create one more. Oh, sorry. Vi. Give some name. DevOps dot HTML. It can be anything. Okay. Call it that this is DevOps page. Next. Tell me fatafat. What I need to do? Git add DevOps dot HTML. Next. Git commit minus m and then DevOps page and then habituating. Actually, this you need to do like this in practicals, in a practice. So I'm making you practice live now, right? Okay. So now, what is okay now? Git. I want to see Git. I want to see the status. What is that here? Git says, is anything there here? No, everything is clean. Again, I want to modify index.html. How? I want to edit. I want to edit index.html. What's the command? Go ahead. Confident. Vi indexed. Again, I am new developer. Okay. Adding index page. Give some modification. Next. Fatafat you need to git add index. Next. Git commit minus m. Which one? New developer. Added code. Which one file? Again modify. One more time. Vi index.html. Okay, this is new line, for example. Next, git add which one? Index git commit minus m, new lines. Give some anything, and then which one? Index. Everything is clean or not? Git status. Understood now? Very basic thing. Now I don't tell anything. Modify hello.html and then commit it. Vi hello.html, add it. This is second line of hello page. Save it. Next, git add. Next, git minus m message new line hello something and then git status. Now habituated. Whenever you want to do, modify the file, add a commit. Now if I do git status, everything is clean. Okay, so we have done already the practice. And if you want to see, and should we add a little bit in DevOps also? There's an empty file, no? Tell me one more. Vi DevOps.html. How many times you do it, that is good for you. This is second line of DevOps. Guys, I'm just putting some random things, okay? Next, git add DevOps. Next, online, put it in the chat. Git commit minus m and then okay, whatever. Second line DevOps. Which one? DevOps.html. Git status. Habituated? Still I should do? No need. Okay, habituated, no? Very good. Super. So I want to see all the commits. So here question, do we need to do git status every time? It's your wish. So I've been habituated as whenever I do, let's say, for example, now I did index.html, new line, slash, okay. Some m I put like this. I don't know whether my git working tree is clean or not. What's the command I should use? Git status. If you keep on doing like this, oh, do you see the red color? That meaning what? Is it tracked or not tracked? Not tracked. Tracked or not tracked? Not tracked. So what I need to do? Need to track it. So for that reason, it's a habit that we use git status. Whether, right? Got it? No, no? Okay, Hussein. Very good. Anonymous user. I have switched from offline. Very good. What is your name? Anonymous. Okay. Tell me. Git add index.html and then git commit minus m added. Okay. And then index.html. Okay, Moizuddin. Very good. Fine. Oh, Moiz, I remember you. Okay, good. Now, is this clear here? And if I want to see all the logs, git log. So many commits are there or not? But if I want to see only few commits, git log hyphen one line. Clear? Habituated? Okay. Now, so which is my, out of this, which is my latest commit? First one. How do you know the first one is latest commit? Because of head pointer. Because of what here? Head pointer. So we see the what one we have added? M added. So this is we have the head pointer, right? So for that reason here, this is a latest commit. Okay. So let's say a developer says, now I am a developer. Git show also there, no? Right? So Git show will show the latest commits with the difference, what you have done. Okay, Git show. Fine. So Git log online. Okay, now M added is the commit message that I have given. What is it? M added. Is it good? Right? In real time, I have added a commit message called M added. Is that good? No, assume that I want to change that commit message. It's already committed. It's already committed. Now I want to change the commit message of my latest commit. You're getting the reason. You understand? So understood, guys. So if I want to change the latest commit message, the previous commit message, we use, right? We use amend option. What option? What command? Amend command. What amend? Yes. So here we have amend commands. So git commit hyphen amend, and then we need to put the latest message. Let's do that. Okay, what is the command, Nana? Git commit minus amend minus m. What message that you want to do? Let's say your name, Madhu. Madhu's was that DevOps comment, right? And then here, that's it. So if you hit enter, what it says, it has changed. Now, do you see in the last time what we have here? M added. Now, if I do git log hyphen one line, very important in real time. Someone, yes. So someone, right? Yes, correct. It will replace, not amend. So here someone has accidentally, or someone has put the commit message which is not related. Let's say in the file, they have changed some variables and then he has not mentioned properly in that commit message. So for that reason, it is good to see, so it should be in real time, proper commit message should be there. By looking at the commit message, I should be able to find what he has committed, what he has changed in the file. So if you want to change it, what's the command? Say that. Git, yes, amend. Say that. What's the command here? Say git commit hyphen amend hyphen m, and then put the message. Is it clear? Amend is clear, everyone? For every command, I'll be asking you CC. Okay. So now there is some question. Sir, let's do git log hyphen which one? One line. Sir, I want to modify these three, sir. Not only the latest one. I want to modify previous three commits. So yes, there is a possibility of doing it, right? So for that, we have something called rebase command. What command? Say that everyone, put in the chat. Rebase. So if you want to change the multiple commit histories, what's that? If you want to change multiple commit histories, commit messages, then which one is used? We have rebase. Say that. Rebase. What's the command here? Git. Say that, Nana. Rebase -I interactive mode. And you need to modify our head or not, the pointer. So how many that you want to modify? How many commits that you want to modify? 3. So how much ever number, how many commits that you want to modify? Put that number. Say this, read that command. Online, put it in the chat. Git rebase -I head till and then 3. If you hit enter, it will show you one editors. Listen carefully. What is the first line? Read first line. What is the word? Say multiple times. Pick, pick, say. Pick, say. Pick, say. Pick. Pick, not pig. Pick. So here we have the pick command. So by default, we have the pick command here. So if you come down here, so this rebase has multiple options. So first one is what here? Pick. That meaning it uses a commit. So normal commit we have done already. Next is what is here? Say that. What is the reword meaning here? Use commit, but edit the commit message. Edit what here? Commit message. So it has so many options. Edit, read it, squash, say that, squash, right? So you have here exe, break, drop, label, reset, merge, update reference. Lot of things are there in the rebase. So whichever that is necessary in your real time based on requirement, you need to choose. But here, yes, Harshit, I'm coming there. My requirement here is, I want to change the commit message, yes or no? I want to change the commit message. How many commit histories that you have mentioned? 3. How many? 3. For that is in how many picks that you got here? 3 picks. So what is that? That is commit ID. Those are what? Commit ID. So one is new line hello. Second line DevOps, Madhus, DevOps commit. This is the latest commit before and before. So after I mentioned head as 3 commits, that's why here you got how many commits here? 3 commits. You're getting a concentrate. Shavani, okay? Getting. So, fourth line, we can mention that also. So whichever that you want, you can mention it. I'll tell you, see. So now it is listing how many commits here? 3 commits. Inside this, you want to modify how many commits? All 3 commits are 1 or 2 or all 3. You want all 3. But in your case, you want only 1. So modify only 1. Okay. So here, instead of pick here, what is the command that I need to put? Reword. What's the command I need to put here? Reword. Now tell me, so here in this case, we'll modify all 3 commit messages. So for all 3 commit messages, go to insert mode, remove pick and put what? Reword. Sorry. Which one? Reword. This one. If you don't want, leave it pick only. So here again, reword. Here again, which one? You're getting it. So I want to modify these 3 commits. For that reason, I have removed the pick and then replaced with reword. What is the meaning of reword here? Commit will happen, but edit the commit message. If you use squash, commit will happen, but it will go to the previous commit. Not our latest commit. It will go to the previous commit. Dinesh, that's what I'm telling. It will go to the previous commit. So, but we need to have a latest commit or not? We need to have a latest commit. If you want to have a latest commit and then change the only commit history, then go for reword. And if you want to use the, you want to go to the previous commit, then go for squash. So now let's go for reword. And what you need to do here, you need to save it. How to save? colon WQ exclamation. Now, once you save it, you will get 3 editors like this. How many editors? Because how many commits you have modified? 3 commits. So that meaning how many editors that you get? 3 editors you get. And first editor is first commit. Second editor is second commit. Third editor is third commit. And you modify the message. See carefully. I saved first editor. First commit. What is the message? Insert and changed it. New line hello. What I say? Updated. Give some name. I've changed the commit. I need to save it or not. What's the command? WQ. Second editor. Second message. And then I also change it to what? Modify, update it, send. You can remove and give something new completely. Save it. And one more we'll get or not? Others, DevOps command. Edit it and then say update it. All 3 commits done. History. Now if I save it, it will come back to our command prompt. See. What do you need to do now? Git log hyphen online. Let's see. All are updated here. These 3. Understood online? So I have given you 2 things here, 2 commands. What's the first command? Git amend. What does that say that? Read it multiple times. Git amend. Whenever you read the command, it will insert in your brains, right? Git amend. So if you want to change the latest commit history message, then go for git amend. And if you want to change multiple histories, then git rebase. Say that one more time. Git rebase -i, and then you need to put what? Head tilde. How many commits? 3 commits. How many ever you want. And then someone is asking, sir, how do I know which commit is latest commit? So you need to remember the commit IDs. And by the way, should I tell you one small thing? All these things you will not be doing in real time. Amma, relax. Huh? See, Abhishek is saying, sir, this is khatarnak.